Dude, honestly, I have not picked up this camera in so long. I don't know what I'm doing. This is a random day. I don't even know what, but like, so happy. I got some awesome news, and honestly, what I'm gonna add to this video, you guys are gonna see kind of like what's been going on and behind the scenes, and I think I'm gonna get back into vlogging, so it's just a matter of time for me to do so. Right now, I am currently playing Apex. Not streaming or anything, although I do need to start getting back into that and just having fun with it. But yeah, stick around, watch to the end of this video, stay tuned. Alright, so a part of the lost files as to my hiatus as to what's been going on, but today is actually a pretty cool day. I'm actually gonna go check out some wheels. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get them. There'll be new wheels, or not new, they're used, but they're newer wheels that we can throw on. I'll most likely throw them on the Z because they're super aggressive, and I actually love them. A good friend of mine happened to be selling his wheels. We're gonna go pick those up today. I probably won't film that whole sequence, but I'll film what they look like afterwards. And we might even, if you're lucky, you might even get some clips of me trying to put them on the car, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. I'm only running on like 2 hours of sleep, because it's now what? It's now 7:10, and I went to sleep around like 5, just pure anxiety and stuff like that. But stay tuned. Let's check it out. Hopefully it goes well.
The next day.
So, where have I been? I've been doing a lot of stuff, but realistically, the goal, or what's up? Long time no see. We'll start with that. Long time no see. Copyright music. So where have I been lately? I have been dealing with life, if you will. You saw with random clips and things like that. I compiled a video with nothing but odd ends of like clips and stuff. But a lot has drastically changed. So realistically, let me just take you guys for a ride and show you real quick. So in the in-between time, I wasn't gonna like record and do things. I said I wouldn't until what you'll end up seeing, or you should have seen by now, is that we got a garage. But this is like pre-shot stuff already. So this right here is the Z and how the Z sits as of late. I painted the engine bay a long time ago. Didn't do it. I have wheels and stuff, which of course they're in storage. I did that to cover up my non-existing where I replaced the stock one so I can move the car. I put in these new tails with the LEDs at the back, which in my opinion drastically changed the car. I did some cleaning of this, which got rid of this, and I realized how deep these like scratches and stuff were from the previous owners. But just whatever. So like, this is its current resting, or this was its current resting state. As you can see, it looks horrendous, I know. However, we're going to change that. The sun is bright and it's hot as hell. And I also need to go over this car because I have done some stuff to it. It sounds badass. I did the headers, and I'll do like an update on this car because I haven't really touched it. But the headers have been put on. I got a ding on the front, but it's okay because I have the kit and everything for it. You'll see we move it into the shop, of course. Obviously, I have the aftermarket steering wheel with the quick quick release. So there's a little odds and ends, and this car sounds much better. It has a little crackle to it, a little burble, if you will. I do need to get it tuned, but I also have plenty of stuff for that's going to be coming soon. So today, however, I figured I would just do something different. I'm gonna get a bunch of miscellaneous stuff done on the Z. I ended up picking up this stuff. It's the Motion Auto supercharged shampoo. I have their whole detailing kit, so I figured why not try it out today, see how it goes, because the Z definitely needs it. Because besides the headlights, which obviously make a huge difference on the car, and we know it needs to be painted, we know this already, we know it's whatever, but as you can see, it's got some streaks and stuff. It hasn't been washed in I don't know how long, and I didn't even give it a full wash before I let it hibernate for the winter. But I figured there's this creature right here too, who's dead, and he's been there for a while. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. But yeah, so like I said, car is horrendous. It does need a wash, so we're gonna wash it down. See, these streaks are terrible, but we're gonna wash it down, kind of clean it off. I've got some other goodies as well, so I figured I might as well just throw on some stuff, see how it looks or whatever, and kind of go from there. But I am picking up some wheels from a friend of mine, so we might even test fit those on the car and see how they look. But I do want to clean out the interior some more. Let's try out this detailing kit, like I said, from Motion Auto. Trevor, you're doing a great job over there. I love your videos, by the way, if you ever were to see this. But let's try out the detailing kit to see how it goes. Hopefully, I know it's going to make a huge difference regardless, but I want to see how much, and I'm curious because I really don't buy stuff like this. I usually just go and get the cheap stuff at Walmart or whatever. So it'd be interesting to see. I wish I'd won the car that I had actually. The reason why I bought this is because he was giving away a car and I wish I won it, but that was just, let's just see how it works, obviously, because you could always use detailing stuff to wash your cars and things like that. I did was one pass, right? Just one layer of wash. I'm going through it. Obviously, you can see, you know, where this lost clear coat, stuff like that. Despite this car having many flaws, it was phenomenal. Plus the taillights that I put on yesterday, I think make such a huge difference. So I feel like I just put in a lot of work, even though all I did was wash the car. And we're still making a good amount of time because it is only 10:45. I do have to go actually fill out the paperwork for the shop, which you guys already know about, but I have to go sign off on the paperwork and stuff now. So I'm actually about to head out and go do that. Let's go run and do that because that's so exciting. You guys already know we have the shop by now, but still, it's still a pretty cool experience. Stay tuned.
1 hour later.
So we went and did what we had to do. We came back now. We also picked up these bad boys. Huge shout out to Billy. Yeah, overall, that's pretty much how it all went today. Like I said, I probably put in a good maybe like hour and 15 minutes in total into working on the car. I mean, I love the way it's looking now. Like, we're only going up from here. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. And I don't know what I'm gonna say. I forgot what I was saying. I haven't done this in so long, but be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm just curious as to what was driving by. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you guys later. Peace.
What's poppin'?